Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Money Code Academy. My name is Franklin. Now on today's video, I want to quickly talk about 7 key things to consider before you start affiliate marketing. Now in my last video, I spoke about how you can use affiliate marketing to break out of being broke. Okay, so in today's video, I just want to quickly talk about some of the few things that you truly need to consider if you are going to excel or if you're going to start affiliate marketing. And the first one here is mental preparation. A lot of times there are people who want to go into affiliate marketing, but they are not willing, they are not ready mentally. You have to prepare yourself mentally. You have to decide and say, okay, this is the path that I want to follow for now. And don't look elsewhere, don't look sideways. Focus on it and go in that direction. Prepare yourself mentally, because this will help you to put in all the necessary effort that is required, and it will also help you to stay patient until you begin to get results. So mental preparation is of great importance when it comes to considering to do affiliate marketing. Now, the next point here is that you need to also consider the kinds of products or services that you want to market. There are people who decide to say, okay, I only want to market services. For example, something happened the other time. I was having issues with one of my appliances in the house here, and I wanted to get it repaired. So I decided to contact a particular company. And when I contacted them, I realized in the long run that what they were doing, they were coordinating with people who rendered these services. They were not the direct people, they were just affiliate marketers. You see that now? So when I contacted them, they told me, okay, they are going to send someone to me. And they contacted somebody else who finally came to me, and the person did his job, finished the work. And when the person left, this other company called me and told me if I enjoyed the services and all that, and they were asking how much I paid and all that. And so I got to understand that the company that I contacted, they were affiliate marketers. Now this lets you know that you can actually make a huge business out of what? Affiliate marketing. You get the point now? So you have to consider this and say, do I want to go in the path of only products, or I want to go in the path of only services? You cannot do the both of them at the same time. There are people who are doing it quite all right, but I would suggest that if you are just starting, that you choose one product, master the art of affiliate marketing, then you can do whatever you want to do as at that time. But for now, choose a particular product or choose a particular service and stay with that and begin to market it. Be diligent with it, and I'm telling you, in the long run you begin to see results. Now the next thing that you also need to consider here is that if you have chosen a product, ask yourself this question: is it a need? Is it something that people are looking for every day? Is it a daily need? Is it something that in 3 days people would want to buy? Because this is very important. You get the point now. See, if you are choosing a need where people can stay without that particular, or choosing a product where people can stay without it for like 3 months, then it's not really a need. So you will not be able to make money from it. So you have to be very careful with this. You need to do your market research. You need to put in the work. I must say this. You have to put in the work. And remember, affiliate marketing will not give you money overnight. Don't make that mistake. It's not going to give you money overnight. You've got to understand this. It is over time, not overnight. But then if you put in the work, you will definitely get the desired results. No doubt about that. Okay? So you ask yourself, is it a need? Is it something that people really need? For example, you can decide to go for these weight loss products. And this is something that is a huge need. There are people today who really want to lose weight at all costs. Now you can decide to go in that direction and begin to market that product. You see that now? But then, like I will always say, you have to test the product. Make sure you are convinced with the product. Make sure it is working, because you don't want to put yourself out there for a product that will bring disgrace to you. Okay? Test the product for yourself. Make sure it is working. Make sure you enjoy the product before you can recommend it to somebody else. So you have to consider if this thing is a need or not. I've seen cases where people begin to market a product that is not a need. You've got to understand this. If you market a product that is not a need, hear me, you will be the one in need in the long run. You'll be the one in need because money is not going to come out of it. You see that now? Go into something that you know in a space of 3 days, it should generate money for you. Okay, there are 3 major niches out there now that is really generating money for people. The health care, okay, the healthcare niche, okay, food niche is also there, and then financial niche is also there. But whatever it is, do your own research. I'm just giving you ideas on how to coordinate things, but you have to do your own research. And if you have questions, just let me know. Reach out to me with your questions and I'll be willing to answer some of those questions. Okay, so the next thing you need to consider now is to choose a channel of marketing. We have the digital marketing channel and we have the traditional marketing channel. The digital marketing channel is the one where you do online through some of the social media platforms. The traditional marketing channel is the one where you print flyers and you begin to go from door to door, or you are meeting people one-on-one and you are giving them those flyers. That one, the both of them works. But the thing is, something you've got to know here is that the product that you want to market will determine the channel that you will use. There are some products that may require you to use the traditional marketing platform. But whatever be the case, choose a channel of marketing, master this channel of marketing. And the next one now is that you have to establish a means of receiving your commission. Make sure you discuss with the company you are dealing with. For example, there are people who try to funnel clients to these dental doctors. And when these clients go to the dental doctors for maybe any of the teeth care or tooth care, whatever be the case, whatever services that they purchase from there, they get their commission. I mean, the person who recommended them gets their commission. So, but discuss with the business people, establish your way of receiving your commissions. How much is going to be your commissions? Agree to it if possible. Let there be an agreement on papers that you will sign, and then you begin to do your job. The next thing now would be to put in the work. It may take time. I must warn you about this. It may take time, but hear me, it will definitely bear fruits. That's the truth. So what I'm trying to say here is that instead of you waiting, use your time, channel your time in this direction, and you will start earning in a matter of days, weeks, or months. And when you are beginning to do this, be patient, because patience is required. When it is not working as expected, your patience will help you to stay, and at the end of the day, you will definitely bear the necessary fruit that you want to bear. But something I just want to quickly chip in here is this: when you decide to go in the affiliate marketing route, focus on it, put your attention there, learn more about this. There is so much information. Anything you don't understand, reach out to me. Reach out to me, ask questions, or you can reach out to any other person out there also. Ask questions, let me know. I don't mind doing more videos in this direction, but whatever it is, make sure that you are focused on it. Not that when you are doing it, somebody else comes and say, oh, there's something else going on in this direction, you abandon it and go. You won't see results that way. Hear me, anything you don't put in the time, you cannot see the necessary results. That's the truth. Time contributes to you seeing results. So this is something that you need to look into. So that'll be all for this video. I trust you've learned something, and I just want to encourage you to give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends and families, and drop me a comment. Subscribe if you haven't done so. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep cracking the money code.